Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to my Excel today. Today we want to look at how to use the quick analysis function in Excel to filter based on cell value and change the cell content. So assume we have a data and we want to really filter by skirt. We'll just look for cell content which have skirt, right click. We'll have the quick analysis, then under it you have the filter, so you can quickly go to filter by selected cell value. Automatically we'll have skirts filtered for you. So assuming you want to change the content for skirts, you can just select it. You want to change it to blouse, so you just type blouse and use a control enter, and voila, you have changed the content of the skirts in this data to blouse. In the same way, assuming that you want to change for the same skirts, now we have changed them to blouse, so we select the blouse content. So assuming you want to change the date to, let's say, today's date, we can just select the range, enter our equal sign using the function today to give us today's date. So select the drop down, we close the parenthesis, we use the control enter, and voila, that gives us for today's date. That's how quick and easy you can do such an analysis. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on Intouch Consult. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.